The iPhone 13 mini was my favorite phone from Apple. It's small, portable, feels great in the hand, and has all of the same features of the bigger model iPhone 13. And after using it for the last couple of months, I've become a huge fanboy of that form factor. So you probably read the title and asking yourself,
if he likes it so much, why would he sell it?
Let's talk about 3 reasons why I sold my iPhone 13 mini and if you should still buy one. If I really think about the 3 reasons why I sold the iPhone 13 mini, it really came down to the purchasing choice that I made when I went to buy it. Let's start off with the battery life. The iPhone 13 mini, of course, is a smaller phone, and naturally that means that Apple could fit less battery into the phone. So at the time, I didn't think it was a problem, and to be honest, it wasn't really that much of a problem after using this device for as long as I did. I work from home and I'm easily able to connect to a charger, and roughly it got me to around 3 p.m. with an okay battery life, just using it casually, emails and all that. But there are times where I'd have to commute. There are times where I have to travel. You've seen it in the day in the life videos that I've done on the 13 mini. It would never really get me from my destination to my arrival location without me needing to charge it just to get through the rest of the day. And a lot of people might be saying,
you can use a battery pack.
I just kind of like having less as more as a mindset. So I don't necessarily want to be carrying around a battery pack just to charge it. On to reason number 2, which again was a choice that I made when buying it. When it comes to buying new phones, I do always suggest that people buy the base model because you get the most money back when it's time to sell it. There's only a small niche market that would really want a 1 terabyte iPhone. So trying to sell it, if you want to upgrade or get a new phone, you're going to have a really difficult time. But at the time of buying it, I wish that I bought more storage. I generally find myself trying to hunt for storage, and I don't think that if I was to use this phone for another year, I can last on how much space I have left. And that brings me to my 3rd reason why I sold the iPhone 13 mini, and that was because of the iPhone 14 Pro. The camera being a 48 megapixel was the main thing for me. Mobile photography is where I started. I probably wouldn't be doing this YouTube channel or have gotten into cameras if it wasn't for my iPhone and the cameras on that. So I kind of want to go back to that. And with 48 megapixels on the 14 Pro, this is probably the biggest spec upgrade in terms of the camera that we've seen on the iPhone in years. So I'm excited to go out and test the camera. I'm going to miss the 13 mini. And a question that a lot of people have asked me if you should buy the 13 mini. And my answer to that question 100% is yes. At this point, the 13 mini has become probably the best iPhone to buy. And the reason why I say that is because if you look at the value, like how much it cost, and compare it with what you get in the phone, it's really ideal compared to any other iPhone. So if you can manage having a smaller phone to carry around, you don't necessarily need a larger phone, then the 13 mini at that price point is a way better bargain than it was a month ago or even 2 weeks ago. But let me know what you think. Did I make a dumb decision? Or if you have any questions about the 14 Pro, make sure to ask in this video. I'm doing an unboxing of the purple color and the black color in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.